to know what happens when the world ends. At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house now. Trying to be that kid again. Hard to swallow rainbow ice cream, knowing it's just vanilla flavored. You tell me that you'll be here when the summer starts to fade away. Cross my heart up to die, but I know that you can't be making it.
Guys, please do check our products on Shopee. Kagaya nitong pomade, gawa namin to. It's all organic, so I'm really sure na it will never cause any harm to your hair and scalp. So it's a must try. O diba, walang nagbago. So, nasundo ko na sila kuya, kaya siya na yung pinag-drive ko. Usually, pag ganyan, pag alam kong mas marunong sa akin yung kasama ko mag-drive, siya na yung pinag-drive ko. Kasi nakakatamad yun.
Kapalipad nila ni Gina.
Nakinig ka sa vlog.
I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light.
Then, kuya told me that I should try Yao Yao because their yogurt is really great. And then, mahilig din talaga ako sa Biscoff. So, ayun, medyo nagustuhan ko naman talaga siya. So, nandito kami sa Euratex para mag-canvas lang ng mga bagong gamit na pwedeng ilagay sa apartment. Kagaya nitong table. Nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Sobrang ganda ng kulay niya and then sobrang minimalist ng design. I've been eyeing this moon chair din. Pagpasok pa lang, agaw pansin siya. Parang ang comfy niya. Mini IKEA. Today is the day. Di mo ka sumama, umuwi ka na. Kaya namin nakahatid. May! Walang kwenta yung Christmas sale nyo.
Talagang kwenta yung lalagyan ng sapatos. Ano ko ng paper ko go?
Sige mo nga kuya pa na tayo sa'yo. Greeny Road.
Hindi nga matagal daw yun yung ginawa nila.
When you put me in your arms, I can do no more.
So, nandito na kami sa destination namin. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, pero sa loob lang to ng UP din. Naisipan namin mag-food trip lang. Tapos may nakita kaming pusa. Pure white sila, ang cute nila. 3 sila, yung nanay, tapos 2 kittens.
Hanging my head out the window, trying to be that kid again. Hard to swallow rainbow ice cream, knowing it's just vanilla flavored. You tell me that you'll be here when the summer starts to fade away. Cross my heart up to die, but I know that you can't be making any promises. You keep changing up your mind, like spin the bottle, playing hide and seek with all your problems. And I've been losing sleep 'cause you promised no take back.
Ito talaga yung napansin ko, yung banderitas. Ang cute kasi yun. Mga pusa, mga lucky cats. Ang cute.
Brought a knife to a gunfight. Now we both got blood on our hands. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Cross my heart up to die, but I know if we tried, honey, we could be so sweet. You keep changing up your mind, like spin the bottle, playing hide and seek with all your problems. I've been losing sleep 'cause you promised no take back. Everything was golden back in August, Russian roulette with being honest. Remember when you said this is what you wanted, no take back.
Naubos ko agad yung ice cream sa affogato ko. So, may nakita akong ice cream vendor. Kaya bumili ako. Ilagyan ko, kaya lang avocado flavor siya. Sobrang chill dito. Dapat talaga madalas ganito yung ginagawa para nai-relieve yung mga stress. Sobrang ganda nung vibe dito. Ganda dito, sobrang kaya.
Pag fair doon.
I know what you've been through, been through. I
So, nagpunta kami dito para i-meet ulit sila kuya. Para mag-billiards. And then, kumain. Yung mga nag-ahamon. Kakaangas mo. Bang mas ay, daga, Jerry, o kay Kitty.
Reindeer yan.
I think I'm gonna go to sleep again and wake up alone on the floor. 'Cause I feel haunted in my bedroom. The floorboards in the next room will keep me warm. Ought to know nothing about you makes me nervous. I feel right at home. 'Cause you
In order namin ay karage, beef yakiniku, and ewan ko yung isa.
I never feel alone. I never feel alone. I think I overstayed my welcome.
So, pag uwi ko,
I think you
nagulat na lang ako may kasama na si Ming, yung baby niya. Ang cute nila, oh. Kaya, naisip ko, ilagay na lang sila dyan sa gilid, and then, bibilan ko sila siguro ng tent.
coffee or a cigarette. I don't think we're done yet. Not for now. 'Cause you are
So, nag-work muna ako ulit habang inaantay yung niluluto ko. Kaso lang, medyo nasunog yung ilalim kaya dumikit siya. Ayan, nadurog tuloy. Pero ganun pa rin naman yung lasa niyan kaya let's eat.
It makes me anxious. I never feel alone. I never feel alone. Cause you ought to know nothing about